Tonight, abortion rights hang in the balance as the Supreme Court hears arguments today in a landmark case, Mississippi's ban on abortions after 15 weeks. Hearing sparked intense debate both inside and outside the court in D.C., while ruling from the justices likely isn't going to come for months. Major question is what a ruling could mean for Roe v. Wade. That is the 1973 Supreme Court decision that provides a constitutional right to abortion. Here in Colorado, Democrats say they're planning a bill to uphold abortion rights in our state, regardless of what happens at the Supreme Court. CBS 4's Karen Morfitt joins us from the state capitol tonight. And Karen, you spoke with one of the bill's sponsors who says this bill been in the works for some time.
And Dominic, while that Supreme Court hearing was certainly timely today, they say it was changes to Texas abortion laws that really prompted female Democrats here in Colorado to start working on what they call the Equity Act. She says it wouldn't change our abortion rights here in Colorado, but strengthen access. As the country's highest court heard arguments in a case that could change abortion rights across the country, Colorado lawmakers were paying close attention.
There is a sense after the arguments today that Roe is in real jeopardy.
Representative Meg Froelich is among a group of Democratic leaders planning to introduce the Reproductive Health Care Equity Act. She says Colorado doesn't have laws preventing a woman from getting an abortion, but doesn't currently have laws protecting abortion rights either.
We feel a real sense of urgency that we want something on the books that protects access.
That urgency, she says, comes after comments made by justices during the Supreme Court hearing. They'll decide if a Mississippi law banning abortion at 15 weeks should stand, going against the decades-old Roe versus Wade decision that says states cannot ban abortion before fetal viability.
Why should this court be the arbiter rather than Congress, the state legislatures, state Supreme Courts, the people?
For years, the majority of Coloradans have said no to similar bans, the most recent on last year's ballot. Representative Froelich says their legislation is representative of that history.
Colorado really respects these private decisions and has told us over and over again we won't stand for it.
Now, we did hear back from one Republican lawmaker tonight. In a statement, Representative Matthew Soper says it's not wise for any state to be making laws until the U.S. Supreme Court has reached a decision, and that Democrats should wait before rushing to introduce legislation that may be moot. In Denver tonight, Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.